Dan's asking a quick question. How do you determine the highest volume search keywords, long tail phrases? Well, we used to be able to pull that data from Amazon. They cut that off, but I don't know if, I know I have it in my account, but I've heard that not everybody has it. If you go to the reports now, I don't know if you've seen this, Amy. If you go to, under your Seller Central account, you go to reports, and then you go to a sub option on the menu called brand analytics. It's under your reports menu. Amazon just released it, I don't know, like maybe a week or two ago, and it will literally, Amazon is now giving you that data directly, and it's got the most converted ASIN for that keyword, so you can go and look directly at that competitor. It's got all kinds of amazing data. So what you'd want to do is go and look at that. The other cool way is then to go look at competition. You can use the Seller SEO Chrome extension that's free, sellerseo.com/Chrome. And we actually give you like how many competitors are targeted for those keywords. So if you take the two data, which right now you kind of have to do it manually, at some point, I just actually emailed Seller Central or the Amazon API team to see when we can get direct access to this. As of right now, it's not available. But we might, come up with a way where you can download this data and then import it into our Chrome plugin, where you'll then be able to see kind of the best keywords versus the best or the least amount of competition. We're working on that right now, just trying to get our heads around how we'd be able to do that. So we'll see. But for right now, that's a really good way to do that. If you don't have access to it, like I said, a lot of people don't. Some people said if you only get it if you're brand registered. I don't know, because I am, so that's why I can't compare, because I don't have another account that's not brand registered to compare it with. But definitely use that if it's available. If not available, secondary is the Seller SEO extension. Competition is a very good indicator on which words are the most popular. So on the Seller SEO Chrome extension, you can do a search, get the competition, and then sort by competition and see which keywords are the most sought after keywords. That'll give you usually the best idea of what keywords are converting the best.